Use the table and the graph to explain why the data in items 2 and 5 are not linear. Well, 2 is where we looked at the table. Um, we can look at the ordered pair 20, comma 2,800 and 40, comma 4,800. And lastly, we'll look at 80, comma 80. Oh, no, 80, comma 6,400. Sorry. What I'm going to do is find slope. That would tell me if it's linear. Remember, if the slope is the same, it's definitely linear. So we would have 2,000 divided by 20 here. Makes that 100. All right, let's do it here. 6,400 minus 4,800 makes that 1,640. Well, 1,600 divided by 40 is 40. Slopes are not the same. This was when I used the table. If I look at the graph, it's not a straight line. Describe any patterns you see in the graph. Well, it looks to me like we have this curve. We've increased and then suddenly we start decreasing after we hit a max. As length increases, area increases, reaches a max, then decreases. Next note I can make here is the ordered pairs look symmetrical. About line x equals 80. What appears to be the largest area from the data in the items 2 and 5? The largest area appears to happen at 6,400, which occurs when the length is 80. Write a function a of L that represents the area of a rectangle whose length is L and whose perimeter is 320. That would have been that function that we wrote at the very bottom of question 2 on that very last part of our table. We would just write A of L equals L parentheses 160 minus L. Take a moment to get 6 through 9 written down, and then we will move on to our debriefing question that follows.